चलिए हम देखते हैं नेक्स्ट। अब हम कर रहे हैं पैरेलल रेज की प्रॉपर्टीज पर भी हम प्रॉब्लम्स देखेंगे। चलिए सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं, दिस इज द सिंपलेस्ट वन। आपको 3 पैरेलल लाइंस दी हुई हैं और दिस इज एन इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन, ओके, मीन्स द लाइन cutting them. All right, so this is this. Now you are given only one angle. You can see there are so many angles. This and this. So many angles. 12 angles are there. But you are given only one angle. Okay, let's see. Suppose this is 80 degree. Now you need to find out all the other angles. See, let me tell you very important thing. In the problem, they are asking you either this angle or this angle. If you are finding difficulty in finding the answer, simply do one thing. Start from where you can easily. Start finding all the angles. You will automatically find your answer very easily. Alright, now let me show you how. See, suppose this is given to use 80 degree. Now you are asked to find at this angle. Let me give it some new name, y degree. They are asking you angle of value of this y. Now what to do? Simply, if this is 80, this is what? This red angle. This will be 100. Why? Because this plus this, linear pair. 180 minus 80 will be this. So this will be 100. Right? Now, if this is 100, see, they are corresponding angles. This 100 degree and y degree, they are corresponding angles. So this is also 100 degree. Okay. Now let me show you the same thing other way. Suppose हम इस एंगल को नहीं निकालते हैं अभी, क्या करें? देखिए दूसरी प्रॉपर्टी यूज करते हैं. You know this is 80. So what should be a measurement of this angle? Sum of adjacent angles between parallel lines will be 180. If this is 80, this should be 100. Because they are the adjacent angles between two parallel lines. This is given. Line L and line M and line N. L, M, and they are parallel to each other. Right? So if this is 80, this should be 100. If this is 100, now look. Angle y, this y and 100, they are vertically opposite angles. So y is also 100. Okay, so this way you can find out. Okay, leave this y. Let's try to find out all the angles. Okay, so this is red in color. This is 100. This is red. This is also red. This is 100. Okay, if this is 100, what is this angle? Linear pair. So this is 80 degree, right? I'm making it blue again. This is 80. See, they are alternate interior angle. They are same. This is 80, so this is also 80, right? If this is 80, this is also 80. Vertically opposite angles. If this is 100, this and this, they are alternate exterior angle. If this is y, 100, this is also 100. This is 100, vertically opposite angle. This is 100. If this is 100, this should be 100, alternate interior angles. Look carefully, this and this. This is also 100. If this is 100, what should be this angle? Alternate interior, vertically opposite angle. This should also be 100. If this is 80, what should be this angle? This should also be 80 degree because vertically opposite. See, if this is 100, what should be this angle? 80. Also, this and this, they are alternate interior angles. So, there must be equal 80 degree. This is 80. This is also 80. See, you were given only one angle. And see, between all the parallel lines, there are only two angles actually. 80 degree and 100 degree. All angles are either 80 or 100. Just see, no other angle is there. Either 80 or 100. Okay, so you can use 3 properties here. Which properties? Adjacent angle properties. means sum of adjacent angles between two parallel lines is always 180. देखिए they are adjacent angles. क्या है इनका sum? What is their sum? 180, 180. See there, they are also adjacent 180. They are 180. They are 180. Right? Next, corresponding angles. See, this is 80, this is 80, this is 80. They are corresponding angles. Beside this y degree, this and they all are corresponding angles. All are equal 100 degree. Right? और भी देखिए ये जो नीचे वाला 80 है, this one and this one, they all are also again corresponding angles. राइट सभी corresponding angle, मतलब यहाँ पे बहुत सारा आपको मिल जाएंगे. एक और बच्चा है यहाँ पे देखिए, this one and they are all corresponding angles. Next, alternate interior angle. देख सकते हैं ये दोनों alternate interior है, ये दोनों alternate interior हैं, ये interior है, ये है, देख सकते हैं. alternate exterior, ये वाले मिस्टर 80 डिग्री और ये अल्टरनेट एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स हैं ये. इसके अलावा ये और ये दोनों अल्टरनेट एक्सटीरियर है. यस, तो आप, और एक और प्रॉपर्टी बची है वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स. देखिए वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल जहां भी आप देख रहे हैं सब इक्वल है. राइट? तो आपको और एक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लीनियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये सभी इंपॉर्टेंट आप इन्हें ऐड कर दो, आपके क्वेश्चन ऐसे वेरी सिंपल दे विल बी. ओके, चलिए